3 steps to grow your travel business fast. Hey y'all, it's Katina the broker, and welcome back to this channel if you are returning. And so go ahead, if you are new, click that subscribe button right now, because I'm always bringing heat and bringing the newest, latest, greatest opportunity to make money from anywhere, not just from home. So let's get right on to it. So your first step is you want to be a part of PlanNet Marketing. Now, what PlanNet Marketing is, it is an opportunity for you to grow your travel business and get paid from your business partners. All right. You don't want to be a solo travel business owner because it's kind of lonely. It's kind of lonely working alone. So you want to have business partners, people to bounce ideas off of, people to share marketing secrets with. And let me just tell you, the best part about PlanNet Marketing is our partnership with IntelliTravel. Now, I'm going to just tell you, IntelliTravel has been the #1 travel agency with the best travel agents forever. All right. And why is that? Basically, we are able to provide luxurious vacations to people at a 2-star price, but they're getting 5-star resorts and 5-star cruise line rooms, all of that. So yes, that is your benefit. That's your first step. You join right now. You just click my link below and click on Enroll. When you click on Enroll now, you will see that it's $19.95 to get started, and that includes your personalized marketing replicated website. It includes when you enroll other reps, you get the override commissions. There is a refund too. There's a 90-day refund policy, but don't get a refund like I did because I missed out on a lot of opportunity, right? By trying to be cheap and not trying to see the benefit of spending $20 to grow a business that gives me unlimited income potential. All right, but I don't want this video too long, so let's get right on to step number 2. All right, step number 2 is I want you to go to GoDaddy, y'all. Go to GoDaddy and decide what your custom domain name will be. Now, I think this is important because when you start sharing your link so that people can learn about the opportunity and get to this page right here, you don't want to say, oh yeah, go to my website, planetmarketing.com/yada, yada, 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 yada. You don't want to do that. You want to be able to say, join Katina.com. If your name is Bill, join Bill.com. Join Mary.com. But when I type join Katina, it takes me to my page. So that's the benefit. Now, you just come to GoDaddy, you buy one of these domain names. It's $10 a month, or sometimes if there's a sale, you might be able to get it for a penny. All right, if you buy for 2 to 3 years or something like that. But the domain names are really easy to get and really cost. I mean, the cost is, you see how cheap it is, right? So, but join. Say your name is Dorisa. Join Dorisa.com. You just type it in this search bar. It'll see if that name's available or not. If it is not available, GoDaddy will give you recommendations. So you can get it on GoDaddy. It's another one called Namecheap.com. You can get it from anywhere. Just Google it. I like GoDaddy because when people ask me questions, I want to be able to tell them exactly how to fix it. And I don't know how on all the other ones, but I know how right here. So, wow, it's taken a long time to search, but we'll get back to that. So that's step number 2, though, is to get your domain name. Now, let me just tell you, step number 3, this one might be a little controversial for some, but step number 3 is they say the riches is in the niches, right? So what you want to do is decide what your niche will be. Will you cater to luxury travelers? Will you cater to newlyweds, lovers, and honeymooners? Will you cater to people who want to make money from home or make money from anywhere? And so while that's still searching, I think there's a problem with GoDaddy. It doesn't normally, usually it's done in seconds. So I'm going to close that and get back to it. But let me just show you really quick. If you want to cater to a certain types of people, all you have to do is you log into the back office. You click where it says virtual office. You scroll down to where it says marketing materials. Now this right here helps you to quickly see how to niche down and become a certain type of travel business, right? Maybe you don't want to cater to everybody. Maybe you want to cater to, you might want to cater to seniors, right? Seniors who want to travel, retirees who want to travel and explore the world, right? You might want to cater to couples and to lovers and to newlyweds, right? You might want to cater, again, to people who want to make money from home and want to try to get rich, right? You might want to cater to them. So you come in here, you start looking at the marketing materials, and you just click on them and you just start, you download them and you start editing them. You share them in your stories. Share them on Facebook. Share them on Instagram. Let me show you what I do on Instagram. If I can show you, I hope I can. But I'm going to tell you, if you go to my, how can I look at it? Oh, I got to log in. Goodness. So I want to show you what I do in my stories, but I simply put some of these flyers in my stories and then I just add a link. Oh gosh, see, they're doing too much. Let me see, can I show you on Facebook? Hold on 1 second. Why do I need to do all that? That doesn't make sense. So let me see if I can go to my story on Facebook. I just want to show you. Okay, well, you can quickly create a story, right? No, this is not the same. Hold on. View story. So, like right here. So here's an example of, I just took a flyer, I took some marketing materials, I added this link right here, and people can just click on it and go straight to the site and sign up, right? So I just do a lot of entertaining stuff. I just add a lot of entertainment to my stories. But Facebook and Instagram, easiest way to market yourself and your product. Now, let me just show you a bonus real quick. Do you want to see this bonus? Now, let me just say, let me know though, so far, which is the easiest for you to do? Step 1, 2, or 3, or which is the most difficult? Is it more difficult for you to get that domain name? Is it more challenging for you to come up and decide on a niche? Is it more challenging to decide on a domain name, or is it a challenge for you with the marketing materials? Let me know, because I always, when people join my team, I always do like workshops so that we can help each other, right? That's what teams and business partners are. That's the benefit of having business partners and teams, right? So let me know in the comment section, and let me just show you my bonus here, right? So don't forget to, y'all, click that like button, y'all. It's free to like, and it really helps my channel. It helps me to keep bringing out this free content. But let me just show you this bonus real quick. So now check this out, y'all. As I just said, the easiest way is to just start marketing yourself in Facebook, right? So what I'm going to do here, I want to just create me a card. I want to create. Now what I'm doing though, y'all, I just simply came over here to the right and I clicked where it says background. Ooh, and I clicked background. So now I'm on the beach. You could just change your background to whatever you want it to be, but what I'm doing is I'm creating a custom card so that I can just start DMing people. I'm going to DM this card to people, and I'm going to say travel agents wanted, or I'm going to either say we're gonna decide at a later time. I'm not sure right now, but my niche is to help people make money from home. So this is probably what it's gonna say. Travel agents want it. I'm gonna change the colors, of course, because I just did some edits from a card that I was using for something else, but you just put your web name on the bottom, put your website name there, move some stuff around, but I am going to leave you a link below so that you can get started with Canva for free and you can start marketing to people right now on Facebook and on Instagram. And that'll help you to hit the ground running and to start growing your travel business really, really fast. So that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching this video. This video right here, if you want more information about growing your travel business fast, click this video right here. Thanks for watching the 3 steps to grow your travel business fast. I am Katina, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.